DMC has been around for 29 years in the automation business. As we've grown and evolved as a company, we've really had a software emphasis in our organization, providing much more broad automation solutions. We develop solutions that not only do the things that they're supposed to do, but they're also highly maintainable, highly robust. Our software approaches really provide the maximum productivity from the equipment. Whether it's discrete manufacturing or process systems, we really can maximize the productivity and the output of the assets. DMC helps connect the factory floor with production systems and operation systems by having a data-centric focus on our solutions. All of the software solutions, the automation programming solutions are built to exchange data with the outside world. DMC and Siemens are really rowing in the same direction when it comes to helping customers achieve their production and operation goals without boundaries. For a long time, we've had this concept of separate worlds between the IT and the OT, or the production systems and the factory floor. But in reality, for customers, there is only one system, and that is their digitally connected production facility. And so we're really excited about providing that holistic solution from automation to their production systems as one solution. When you're looking at a holistic digital enterprise, the last mile onto the factory floor is a bit of the Wild West. There's equipment of all types of age and technologies and approaches. And so one of DMC's strengths is to go into a factory situation and navigate the last mile of connectivity. So whether it's a solution that we're developing or it's an existing automation solution that we can help navigate and expose data or increase connectivity, no matter what it is or what platform it is or what technologies they're using, DMC really brings a lot of expertise to navigate all of those things to really provide a comprehensive solution to integrate all of those bits together.